I have heard the stories of some Friday nights they traveled on a train. Not only once or twice, people won their fights. Stories about a happy time. Why can't I see it now? Am I fool or blind? I really wanna see it now. We all need to be allowed. Big celebrations with lots of smiles. What happened to this world? What have we done? Is everyone alone? I like the stories of yesterday. I need you here with me. Come right away. It's wonderful when you are next to me. I'm glad that I found you. Without you I'd be lost. Your presence next to me brings me peace. I would love to hold you now. You holding me is what I need. A new season had just come. No more sad days, now all is bright. The sun is shining with its light. I feel the wind blowing in my skin. I feel your love coming, you're my spring. The winter is over, no more snow. My heart you filled with your love. Now in my home I hear the birds. I see the kids playing, boys and girls. I smell the baked cake, I hear the songs. Hugs among parents, daughters and sons. You have changed all my life. You have changed all my days. You made me new inside out. Now in my home I hear the birds. You made my story a nice one. Now in my home I hear the birds.